Alright, so back another video, back another reaction. Got some Duke Dennis, Duke Den, and he's on a mission to get girl's number with a flip phone. The OG classic flip phone in Miami. So I guess he's still going crazy. This is part 2. That being said, let's see how many numbers you can get with a flip phone. Wow, what they say? 900K today. Merch out now. Duke Den dropping merch. Okay. Think he clean. Look at this guy. I think he clean.
Hey, 900K, man. Today, bro. That merch out too, man. Link in the description, man. Let's go, man.
Rockin' life for D Block.
Hey, the board say Q and Dirt, not fucking nothing, man. Them is not gonna hit nothing while they in my head. No.
This part 2.
This nigga, bro. Q
Part
and
1.
Dirt.
I ain't gonna lie, he was going crazy. He had girls trying to scan his overall, trying to scan his badges. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and watch part 1. I heard it had an echo. That's why I've been going for like the last 3 days to see if the echo is gone now. If it is, then that's cool. If it's not, let me know.
Hey, what you think, man? You think you gonna hit something while you down here, man? Think you gonna hit something?
Just enjoying the single.
What?
Just, you know.
I feel you, my brother. I ain't hitting that much down here.
Criminal.
Huh?
Smooth criminal.
You smooth criminal. You try to back up me last night?
I didn't mean to.
It's tough right there. Hey, look, man. Man, stop getting in trouble, man. Don't tell him what he did. Free my dog, though. You know what I'm saying? See this right here? I need that right there. I need to give me one of these right here. What are at? God damn, baby boy. I just seen that video you put in my phone, man. What's up, my boy? I just want to spend
That's
some money.
her right here?
Video you put in my phone, man.
Yeah, this girl right here. Yeah, this her. She was on timing the last time I saw her. She was doing these, trying to scan his whole archetype.
I just want to spend some money, man. Hey, I just want to
You
spend
tried
some
to
money.
scan Duke's archetype last time you saw her
with this flip
with the
phone
echo
right
video.
here. Huh? Oh yeah, baby girl. Goddamn, dribble and shoot, baby boy. Yeah, dribble and shoot, man. How many numbers do I can get with this flip phone right here? With a flip phone right here, huh? No. But you ain't gonna do nothing, man. You can't get no number with this right here.
Oh, I can't. I think when you put that motherfucker out, you might get about a good 10.
But I'm gonna secure the number first. I'm like, hey, you know what I'm saying? You got a boyfriend? Yeah. So let me get your number, take boom, boom. And when they say yeah, I'm like, oh, what the is that? What? Well, I'm gonna pull it out.
Hit him with the Nokia.
I'm like, hey, put your IG in there too. That motherfucker real? Nah, I just bought it for like $30.
Hit him with a Nokia.
Ain't about 30. Oh yeah, you like that right there? Yes, sir.
Gosh, who is this? Where'd she come from? I like your eyes. Look at her.
Yeah, you like that right there?
Look at her just come out of nowhere. I like your eyes. See, this is why I said in the last video, y'all a little too aggressive. Why is she all up in his abs? Like, look at her.
Oh yeah, you like that right there? Yes, sir.
Gosh, like, if you see, look at her. She ain't like these. Look back. You know what I'm saying?
My dog got some pretty eyes,
She
man.
all up in his
Dog got
back.
some very nice eyes, man. Let me go get some numbers, man. Hey, Chad, man.
Wait, are y'all taking a picture?
Nah.
Okay. Can I take a picture?
Oh yeah, you can take a picture.
Come on. You're not
This
even taking
ain't
my
no
picture.
picture.
Yeah, you taking your picture.
I swear to God, you're not.
Bro, you gotta really pose though, bro.
I am.
Yeah, y'all gotta pose.
She's definitely trying to post these on IG. She trying to post them on IG.
Yeah, yes ma'am, pose.
Did you really get it? Can I see?
Still going.
It's still recording. You're bullshitting. That's a video. This is real life.
Yeah, this is real life.
I thought that was just fucking.
How you doing?
Look at my head. That's my head. If we're on YouTube, that could be on Snap.
yes, ma'am.
Get the camera, yes. You gotta get in it too. Come on.
I gotta report
The
it.
cameraman?
Yeah, he could be
Trying to
here,
get a
man.
cameraman some hospitality. What? The cameraman trying to get some hospitality.
Oh, we chilling, man. You know what I'm saying? Oh, matter of fact, I need your number, man.
You need my number?
Yeah, I need your number, man. You know what I'm saying?
That's your phone.
You gonna put me like that right there? Hey, baby, you gonna put me right there, right?
That's your phone.
Come on, number or not,
Put
man.
that back up. Put that back up. You don't
Hold on, hold on, it's a video. Hold on, don't do it.
need that. I'm like, you
She was about to do him in.
that. It's
Oh, boy, they fucked up though, boy. You judging niggas off their phones, boy, my dog is grabbing that ass.
Oh, yeah, he over there grabbing handfuls. Oh, relax. Grabbing
Nah,
handfuls, bro.
I'm just doing it to see if I can, you know what I'm saying, type shit. Yeah,
You probably ain't gonna get no number.
I'm already knowing. It didn't work with you, but it's gonna work with somebody else.
Hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully. Yeah, I do need your number for real though.
You need my number?
Yep. What's your name?
NICHOLE.
No, I'm just gonna hit you with
Oh,
my
you
name.
gonna text me with your name?
Yeah.
Okay, do that.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Bet. Say that, man.
Okay.
For sure. Nice to meet you though.
Nice to meet you.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, well, oh, yeah, I'm down though.
This dude was in the King Sid video. This dude with the lion mane right here. He was in that King Sid video.
Look, man, Duke
I was
be
watching
working, bro.
on
His story is
stream.
motivational, man. That boy came
Yeah.
from the military, hustling. Now he up, getting back to his dog. You feel me? I fuck with all y'all boys got going on. Appreciate it.
So, man,
All y'all
I know
boys,
what
for real.
you
I
out
know
here
his
doing. I know
story,
you out
man.
here going crazy.
You know, I be on the TikTok, like,
Who is this? I don't
I
know.
already know who
Who
you
is
is.
that?
You know what I'm saying? I know
get
you
no
feel
flower
me.
real quick.
Let's do this, man.
Hey, look what I got in the building, man.
Yes, sir.
Come on now. I would say do right, but that boy got the.
Oh yeah, not no more, man. I ain't do
Come on
that no
now.
more, man. You know
Yeah, that
what
boy
I'm saying?
do out here.
R.I.P. Durag Duke, man. R.I.P. to it, bro.
That boy
What you
is
got
a
going on,
quarter
though?
boy, man.
What you got going on? What you out here doing?
Hey,
I
man,
know what you
look.
out here doing, but I want to hear you
I'm
tell
out-
me what you out here doing.
I'm out here working.
Okay.
I'm saucing. Then I'm finna go be in the Smash This Pass and do what I do.
Okay, so yeah, this is right before. See, I knew I seen this dude, bro.
Or what?
Hey, smash.
This is
And
right.
look, I'm not just gonna get smashed. I'm bringing them
Right
back.
before.
You actually smashed it.
Come on now.
With you. I be seeing you, boy. You be going crazy.
Man, we all be working. All the boys be working.
Oh, yeah,
Real
working.
quick, Instagram, all that. I know they know who he is already.
Nah, but hey, man, my shit filming too, man. Make sure y'all go check out my dog.
Hey man, look, every way we look. Remember?
I ain't gonna lie to you. If you really look at him for like a cool 60 seconds, he look like Cash Nasty with just a whole lot of hair. He got Cash Nasty's beard.
Remember the
Like,
name.
come on, man.
Remember the
This
name.
is Cash Nasty right here. You ain't slick Cash.
Be all over the place, man.
Man,
Yo.
they don't see you all
That's
over
Cash
TikTok,
Nasty
man.
with a grill. That's Cash Nasty and Malcolm in one
Hey,
person.
remember the
they
face.
seen
Be
you,
all
yo.
over the place, man.
Yeah,
Yo.
That's
Man,
Cash
they see you all
Nasty
over
and Malcolm
TikTok,
in one
man.
person.
For sure, man. Hey, this video gonna be so fire, but I need to learn how to keep my laugh in. You know what I'm saying? If I keep my laugh in and actually be with a straight face, whenever they say, "Bro, what the hell is that?" I'll be straight, but it's hard though, bro. It's hard. I'm gonna get it.
I mean, back in the day, that was.
Cause I didn't watch it. My dad, my kid.
What you say? Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, I appreciate it. You look good too,
Bianca?
man.
Nah, that ain't.
That's
That's DMB Nation right there, bruh. DMB Nation, you almost got away with it.
Hey, look.
If you was a skin tone lighter, if you was what, skin tone 8? If you was skin tone 8, you would have been DMB
Put your
Nation.
phone number in this right here.
Dude, why do you?
Alright, man, I can't do it, man. I can't do it. No.
You can't.
Yeah, man, I'm doing.
Not the flip phone.
No, I'm trying though. I'm trying to keep a straight face. I'm trying to keep a straight
What are you
face.
trying to do with the flip phone?
I'm trying to see if I can actually get, you know what I'm saying, female's number with the flip phone, but I keep laughing when I pull it out.
Yeah, you gotta stop laughing.
Yeah,
you gotta be more serious.
If I start laughing, I can get it though.
Yeah.
Yeah, type shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. Next time I'm gonna be straight up.
He
Yeah,
0
You
for
gotta
2
be like
right now.
serious face.
yeah. Straight up type
You know, you
shit.
feel me? This is, you feel me?
Yeah,
How
yeah.
do can I get your number type shit?
Yeah,
You feel me?
yeah.
And then pull it out.
Yeah,
And
without
then after
laughing.
She start laughing, you be like, man.
Like, what the fuck you laughing
like,
at?
What the fuck you laughing at?
Yeah,
Feel me? Give me your number. What you gonna do? You're not gonna get it. Be like, I'm gonna find that nigga. What the fuck you talking about?
Oh, word? Okay, bet. Say less. I bet. You lifting your back
A whole game plan, you know?
so like
I know a better
That's a
posture.
W teacher
Okay,
right
bet.
here.
Say less.
DMB Nation.
You lifting your back so like
I know a better
Teacher.
posture.
Oh.
If you would try to put your ass on me, boy, I would slap. What you doing? He's talking about you a pussy, bro?
Oh, yeah, boy, you got to go.
No problem.
Can I get a picture?
Of course.
Okay. Yeah. What's up? Okay, thank you.
No problem.
Can I get a picture too?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Gotta make sure we still recording.
Thank you.
Tell her to come here.
Amaya?
Yeah.
Amaya.
Yeah. Huh?
Sorry. What happened?
What's your name?
Amaya.
My name Duke. Nice to meet you.
too.
You got a boyfriend?
Yeah.
Shit.
He was gonna try the serious stuff too. That DMB Nation taught him. He wasn't even wear no more.
Wait, was Tucker yesterday?
Yeah, but he gonna be here later.
Okay, thank you.
No, she gonna stay around. She gonna be trying to lurk.
Ooh,
Or is that fan behavior?
of course not.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
You look good or whatever. What's your
My
name?
name Duke. What's yours?
Desi.
Where you from?
Chicago.
Is he mad aggressive?
Oh shit, some Chicago
Oh
niggas.
yeah, no wonder why. You from Chicago? You mad aggressive?
Where you from?
Chicago.
Oh shit, some Chicago niggas just walked out, man.
They was finna get down on your ass.
Nah, they was cool ass niggas, bro.
Was they?
Yeah.
You gonna take a picture?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Man.
Hold on, wait. The bundles, you feel me? Look at a second. They all
bundles.
look goofy. I was looking for you
Bundles.
yesterday.
Oh, you looking for me? Well, you found me, man.
I know, right? How long you out here for?
She on timing. I don't care what nobody say. She on timing.
Look at a second.
She tried to make sure the bundles was correct.
They all look goofy. I was looking for you yesterday.
Oh, you looking for me? Well, you found me, man.
I know, right? How long you out here for?
Matter of fact, man, come here, man.
Yeah. What's going on? Stop playing.
What you say your name was?
Desi, nigga. Desi. Say that
You
shit
got a
twice.
Daddy, you got a boyfriend?
No.
I got your number?
Do you have a
What?
Oh no, this is
Boyfriend?
no?
I got your
this the
number?
thumbnail.
Do you
Right
have
here.
a
What?
That's the thumbnail. You can't tell me that's not a thumbnail. That right there. I'm using this as a thumbnail. I don't care what nobody's saying. This is the thumbnail of this video. I'm gonna try to remember
Do
that.
you have a girlfriend, nigga?
I'm out here talking to you on the
feel me?
strip.
Yeah.
I'm in public talking to you.
I feel you now. I ain't got no boyfriend.
Yeah, man, I'm finna get that in.
Where you from?
I'm from South Carolina. I live in Atlanta though.
Oh, goddamn. They say shit like that, don't they?
What you trying to say? I'm like country or something?
Yeah,
Type shit.
very much so.
Okay. Yeah, man, put your-
pull that motherfucker.
Put your
Thumbnail too. Good work, Duke. Yeah, this is a thumbnail number 2. Good work, Duke. That's what we want to see.
type shit.
Very
You give me
much
some
so.
good thumbnails
Yeah,
right
man,
now.
Pull that motherfucker.
Put your
Look at her. Did her face was just ultra disappointed.
Excuse me, sir. What's going on? What you a drug dealer or something?
Bro, y'all trying to play me like that, bro. What you trying to Yeah, man.
Goofy Telephone? What that say? Nah, give me the real shit. What you talking about? I'm not the flip, not the trap. Give me the real shit.
I was just fucking around with you, see what you was on. That's it, bro.
I don't get no fuck if you got a little flip.
Not the
skimming line.
Yeah, she was on timing. She was scanning his
I don't get no
overall.
fucking
I told y'all this last video. Look at her. She got her tongue out, everything. She know what to do.
I was just seeing what you was on. God damn, that's it.
Exactly what type of wood.
Oh shit, I try to say my name, but I text you to my name.
That's cool, I know who it is now.
It's Desi. Say that shit twice.
I see you typed that shit twice. So just, you know what I'm saying?
We was looking for you.
Oh man.
Twice. So just,
We went from spice to salt real quick. Looking for you.
Oh yeah, really. As a matter of fact, yeah, what's up?
what y'all was looking for me for?
Why else?
Oh no. This definitely Bianca right here. I don't care what nobody say. Yeah, see now this is skin tone 8, definitely Bianca.
Shit.
DMB Nation.
She on you.
You got a boyfriend?
That's DMB Nation.
Okay, nope.
Definitely.
Nope. Put your number in this right here.
Ooh, she said no. She gave him a crane. You know how when you try to buy toys and the crane go like, oh look, the crane be like these. You be like, you know what I'm saying? The crane be like, that's how she did his phone.
Nope. Put your number in this right here.
No. No.
Where's the actual? Which fan? I need the actual.
They think he playing.
What fan?
You gotta be serious. Duke say this is my actual phone. I gotta pay a cell phone bill with this.
Hey, look, don't even worry, man. Don't even.
Chris, what's that?
Hey, look, man. Where y'all from?
Chris. Chris next door?
Yes, sir. Hey, look, New York motherfuckers some good vibes, man. Y'all welcome to the crib, man. All y'all feel, especially you.
Especially her. Yeah.
But yeah, nah. I got you, bro. I'll just fuck around. I'll just fuck around with you.
No, for real though. Where's my man? No, like, where's Chris?
Hey,
Tell fam I love you.
Hey, family. Man, she love you, bro. She really love you, bro. She came out here and found me for you.
Yo, it's crazy. So I smoke a little hookies with you. Well, I'm Dominican too. I watch your business, man.
Back at the crib. Fredo and Isaiah beefing over a charge. I ain't gonna lie, we don't care. We back outside.
No bullshit, bro. Miami is just full of niggas literally chasing out the bitches. Like, literally chasing out the bitches. You see me?
I'm telling you, bro, this is a whole new environment. This is Miami we talking about. This ain't their hometown. They see women in bikinis, oh, they had no reason to be there.
I'm not going up to no bitches, bro. I'm not saying that it's anything wrong.
You a whole new person when you in Miami.
I'm going up the hoes, but I just
Only
can't
singles go to
find
Miami.
myself to just like chase after them.
Unless you live out there.
And if they ain't coming up to
Traveling.
me, bro, I ain't gonna lie. I don't give a fuck. Hey! Yeah, hold on. What's up, man? My name is Duke. What's yours? Where you from?
I'm from Jasper, Florida.
Oh, so you from here? Where, baby?
No, it's North Florida, South Florida.
It's far?
Yeah, it's like 7 hours from here.
Where?
Yeah.
You had a boyfriend then, right?
Huh?
You had a boyfriend in there, do you?
Nah, you got a girlfriend.
I'm chilling, man. You know what I'm saying?
Somebody.
I wouldn't be on the strip, you know what I'm saying, talking about type shit. Yeah, man, you need to put your number in my phone type shit. Alright, chill, calm down.
I didn't say nothing. I just did a little look back.
Yeah, you just made a little face, and you know what I'm saying, type shit. I didn't want to, you know what I'm saying, nah, but when you leaving from down here?
Probably tomorrow. I've been here since Friday. When you got here?
You been here since Friday? Nah, I just got here yesterday.
Oh my God.
I'm about to see you before you leave.
Day 2.
Don't. I need a good picture.
Oh, yeah, I'm done.
Everybody posting this on Snapchat. Like, I took a picture with Duke Dennis.
Hey, what a black
I'm mad. Cause I took a picture with your man. I know everybody been doing this. I took pictures with Duke Dennis. They definitely on Snap.
Hey, what a black I want a picture too.
Look, see, I took a picture with Duke Dennis. Y'all mad. Alright.
Here around them motherfuckers. Shit till like Monday, Tuesday type shit. Shit.
I know I was looking for old boy, but I want a fucking selfie. I don't want no picture. I want a video. I want to see the grooves in your mouth, honey. Let's see if they shining. Y'all know who it is. Y'all stop playing with him. So what y'all doing? Why you asking?
My homeboy throwing a party and shit, but what y'all got playing?
So we trying. We know what we want to do. Y'all know who
Oh yeah? I need to get your number or something, man. You say what? On my phone. It's right here, man.
No, what's your number?
I'll put my number in your phone.
You lying.
Hold on.
You lying.
I'm not lying at all. I'm not lying
She's
at
scared
all.
overall said you too fine to be lying. Look at her face.
Hold on.
Look at her face. She's like, you too fine to be lying. Don't be lying to me, Duke Dennis.
I'm not lying at all.
Telling you, brother.
No, I'm not lying
Don't be
at
lying
all.
to me, Duke Dennis. You too fine to be lying.
With the, I didn't want to see what you know what I'm saying?
I be playing. I watch your YouTube videos.
Yeah, bro, ain't nobody going for that, bro.
Ain't nobody going for the flip phone, man. You gotta do that somewhere else. That
There's gonna be
Miami.
one person that do that.
I get the bitch that. What's that, no? I already know what I mean. Guys outside, no
Everybody got that
lie.
one cousin, bro. Y'all know everybody got that one cousin that do this.
I already know what I mean. Guys
Come on,
outside,
man.
no
Everybody got that one
lie.
cousin that do that.
We just came out today. Word. You were here last weekend? too active, so we had to come back. We had to come back. Right back. We had to like Monday, I think.
I'm get to Monday. I'm already tired of this shit though.
Tired? Tired? What you mean tired?
Everybody got that one cousin, and this is a thumbnail too. Everybody got that one cousin that just act like this, bruh. They make the same face and everything.
What you mean?
Yeah, you seen Kyle?
Nah, I ain't seen him. I seen him last year.
He finna be on his way. This one I'm waiting on.
Oh, yeah, no, y'all. I'm gonna let y'all about to get stopped. OD. Nice to meet y'all, boys. So, my nigga.
Everybody running. You know what, but in life, man, it's either your time or it's not. You know what I'm saying? Everybody running, man. I ain't running, man. You know what I'm saying? Bro, you know what, boy? Everybody ran. That's understandable. I just hopped the fence, man. That's it, bro. I see you running too, nigga. Don't think I ain't see you.
Running with the camera.
I know. I see you running, nigga.
Hey, when you see somebody run, you just gotta run, bro.
Hey, where my homeboys at though, man?
They going to be in it. Yeah. I saw them. Hi. What happened?
I'm doing great. How you doing?
Fine as fuck.
Shit,
I'm sorry. I gotta give you another hug.
Okay, I appreciate it, man.
I don't know. They said they started shooting.
Hey, what was you at though? No, you weren't. I stayed.
You ran, nigga.
That's what.
Davo was running.
No, you weren't. I stayed.
On my mama, you ran, nigga.
That's what.
On my mama, this nigga ran, bro.
But he gonna say on my mama right there, bro.
On my mama, I looked at you, you took off. You probably stopped. Yeah, you definitely ran, bro.
Cap, right? This cap.
He was running like that AMP video.
I don't know. I saw you start. I saw you
AMP
start
versus Face. He was running.
I just like this right here and jump the fence, right?
I don't know. You jogged a little bit.
No, I jumped the fence to get out of the way.
Okay, but look, that's what I'm saying. I see you
running.
goddamn start doing shit. So I'm like,
Look, right over here, I came and jumped the fence. I caught him. I said, "CB, chill."
Hey, you know what?
but nigga, I knew, nigga, I stopped like where the queue was at.
I'm gonna get up on the floor.
I bet.
You want one too?
Oh, that's fire right there. What y'all got going on later?
I think we ordered this party.
Word, I need to get
Another
your number.
My number?
Yes,
All right,
ma'am.
let me put it in.
Woo, she said, boy, please. Boy, please.
Hold it.
Yeah, man.
Okay, man.
He got one
Yo.
number, he's successful.
Yo.
Successfully, he got one number. Even though
Yo.
she laughing like it's a game.
Yo, this it right here? Okay. I'm gonna definitely be hitting you up. Nah, dead ass though. Dead ass.
Show.
Huh?
Show.
Show?
Yeah, show.
Spell it for me.
S-H-O.
I fuck with that right there. All I had to do was keep it calm, though.
Yes, he's
What?
successful.
I said, this the one right here.
I guess I just gotta keep it calm, bro. I need to do a part 2 in Atlanta or something, right? Man, $70K for the part 2 in Atlanta, man. No.
You already
He
know
said,
we
bro,
watching.
just chill. You know what I'm
We watching.
saying? Type shit. Hold on, what you saying that was?
Dina.
Dina.
Yeah.
Well, nice to
You do
meet you.
YouTube?
Nah, I actually just bought this motherfucker the other day, so I'm just trying shit out.
Hey,
Hell yeah. Where you from?
Michigan.
Word.
Yeah.
You know what? I need to get your number, man. Yeah, put your phone in there right there, man. Oh, shit. You know what? You are a very good, kind-hearted individual, man. You ain't judge me at all right here. Yeah, man. Nah, that's tough, man. Hold on. That's fire right there, man. You went straight forward, though. Well, I can see right there, man.
This is my friend. This is my friend Pari.
I just bought this
This is my
motherfucker,
friend
bro.
Pari. Okay.
Oh.
I look good. I'm a famous TikToker.
Oh, what? What you be doing on there?
Everybody.
I've been doing everything goofy.
Everybody's famous TikTok.
For sure. Well, nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you too.
Man. Bro. Davo been on the strip. The rest of the fellas got fat bitches eating all the snacks and shit. Davo been on the strip. The rest of the fellas got fat bitches eating all the snacks and shit. I just see.
He got clay cleaners and fridge protectors with relentless eaters.
Bag.
All the snacks.
Being on the strip. Me and Davo been on the strip. The rest of the fellas got fat bitches eating all the snacks and shit. I just see.
Relentless eaters.
Get that motherfucker got their I'm gonna sneak this and like a motherfucker. Oh no, ain't nothing wrong. Sharing is caring, but Nigga, we ain't even really ate nothing like that. They goddamn, she going in there getting 3-4 gummy bears. That was tripping, man. Damn,
It was going crazy. That's it. Anyways, that's going off this video. So you guys like, comment, and subscribe if you are new to the channel. And I will see y'all in the next video.